How to fix no location found on iPhone. First, enable precise location. Step 1. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Privacy and Security. Step 2. Tap Location Services. Step 3. Find the app that is displaying the wrong location. For this example, we'll open the Maps app. Step 4. Ensure the precise location toggle is enabled. Second, fix your date and time settings. The date and time on your device can affect other settings, so it's important to keep it correct. The best way to do that is to make sure the Set Automatically toggle is enabled. Third, reset location and privacy settings. Step 1. Open the Settings app and tap General. Step 2. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 3. Tap Reset. Step 4. Tap Reset Location and Privacy. Step 5. Enter your passcode to confirm, then tap Reset one more time. Fourth, restore your iPhone from an iCloud or iTunes backup. If none of the previous fixes have made your iPhone location accurate, it's time to restore your iPhone from an iCloud backup, or, more rarely, from a computer backup. Be sure to restore your iPhone from a backup made before your location services stopped updating or working.